How to receive money from Western Union via GCASH mobile wallets. 1. Open the GCash app with a fully registered profile. 2. Go to Cash In. 3. Tap to Remittance. 4. Select Western Union. 5. Enter the MTCN shared by your sender and the estimated amount sent to you. 6. Check and verify that the details you have provided are correct. 7. You'll receive a message on the app followed by a text notification confirming that your money transfer is completed. You can receive up to 100,000 pesos per transaction, subject to wallet aggregate monthly limit of 100,000 pesos. Hope it helps. Thank you for watching.